Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be with all of us. I hope that those of you who are watching this are given health during a pandemic like this. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Dendra Safira and my friends Magdalena Ardila Ahmad. We are from the Class B Nutrition Study Programs of 2020. Here we will explain tips on how to get good marks. We are here to do the final English assessment. And without further ado, just go the first tips. First, looking for learning styles. Everyone learning styles is different. Some people learn by listening to music. Some people can only study in silence. Some people have to make a mind map first to make it easier to memorize. And some people have to listen to the explanation of their friends first to understand. So choose your learning styles so later when learning the material is more comfortable and easier to memorize. Then tips number 2 is make a list of materials when given materials by the lecturer. There must be some materials that you don't understand. Try to note down what materials you don't understand and ask the lecturer or friends who already understand. And you can also look for it independently via the internet. Then, where you can better understand the materials. Next tips is make mind maps. This method can be done by recording important points from the material. Then decorate with interesting shapes so later then rereading it can be easily memorized. Make mind maps creative as possible so you don't get bored reading and it's easier to remember the material. Because some people find it easier to remember the material with this method. After that, tips fourth is looking for friends. Looking for friends who have a frequency can be an advantage for us. When we get friends who always bring us to be more smart in studying and doing assessment, because if our friends are doing assessment or studying and then invite us to join in doing assessment or studying, then our grades can automatically increase. Tips number 5 is do exercise. Before moving on to a new chapter, it's good to do exercise and assessment from the previous chapter. Don't leave the tasks and do nothing. Because if you do the assessment, you will understand the material more and then it will have an impact on your increasing marks. Before I move on the next tips, the 6 tips is continued with my friends Magdalena.
Thank you, Diandra. The 6th tips is prepare a priority list. When you have more tasks, make sure to write a to-do list and task deadline. First, do the tasks that have a few deadlines, then do the tasks with a longer deadlines. Or do the easier tasks first, then the harder ones. So your tasks will be neatly organized and will not fill up with other tasks. The next tip is pray to God. After trying your best to study for the exam, don't forget to pray to God to give you fluency when working on the exam's question. After that, thank God who has given health and fluency when studying and doing exam. The next tip is take note of the lecture explanation. When the lecture explanation the lesson to you, it's better if you write what lecture explained because it could be from the lecture explanation. It is important points that must be remembered and recorded. Then don't just play on your cell phone or do the other activities when the lecturer is explaining because it's bothering you and you just waste of your time and has no benefit for you. The last tip is good manners. The last point is very important because if we are only smart but don't have polite behavior towards the lecture, then your intelligence is nothing. When the lecturer is happy with our polite behavior, we might get additional point because we have respected the lecture. So be respect to your lecture. Okay, that's 9 tips from us that these tips are a few ways to get a good grade. There are still many things you can do because not everyone can do these tips. These tips may be difficult for some people to do. Then don't give yourself so much pressure. Be easy on your mind. Take care of your health. Get enough sleep. Drink a lot of water. Keep yourself organized and have a good people around you. So it will make you more productive in your daily life and also you can get a good grade. Hopefully the tips we described above are useful for those of you who watch this video. That's all from us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.